Hello, parents. This is Mrs.Jerome-Severe coming to do another video for you. This time, they're going to do two things for this lesson. First, they're going to do the sound. They're going to do the three sounds. And then, after that, they're going to go and tell me what the word. They're going to put the sounds together to tell me the word, and they will see the matching picture with the word. Okay? So, parlem yo, video sa, kote l pral montro, kote ti moun yo pral fè son yo avan, yo pral fè son yo, epi koun ya apre sa pou yo mette l'ensam, pour yo vin faire moi et puis après ça il y a point une photo qui affiliée avec moi. Nous aller. Pour first sound p, next sound next sound p, one more time p, your turn. Very good. Put it together now. Pen. Put it together. Pen. Good. Next one. First one say k. Second one say eh. Last one say g. One more time. K. G. K. G. Your turn. Very good. K, g. Put it together. Keg. Put it together. Keg. Let's do the first sound. L. The second sound. E. The third sound. G. First one. L. E. G. Your turn. L. E. Very good. One more time. L, E, G. Put it together now. Leg. Very good. Put it together. Leg. Okay, let's do the first one. W. The first one is the W. W. E. The T. W. E. T. Your turn. Very good. Let's do one more. W, e, t. Put it together now. What do you get? Wet. Very good. Here we go. First one, p. Second one, e. Last one, g. First one, p. Second one, e. Third one, g. Let's do it. Egg, egg. Put it together now. Peg. Put it together. Peg. Here we go. First one. Second one. Next one. T. Again. T. Your turn. Very good if you say it. Very good. Let's do it one more time. At. At. Put it together now. Net. Put it together. Net. Okay, first sound. T. Second sound. Last sound. T. Your turn. T. Very good. Let's do it together. T. T. Put it together now. Put it together. Tan. Put it together. Tan. First one, w. Second one, e. Third one, b. W, eb. W, eb. Your turn. W, eb. Very good. If you say w, b, very good. One more time. W, b, w, b. Put it together now. What do you get? Web. Very good. Ch, at. First one, j. Next one, Next, last one, t. Let's do it. Ch, at, j, at. Okay, your turn. Ch, t. Very good. If you say j, at. Okay, let's do it together. J, at, j, at. Put it together now. Jet. Very good. Jet. Very good. All right. Good job, guys. Good job. Merci, parents, deske ti moun yo te gade video, hein? Si yo gen ti difficulté avec moun yo, kite yo revize l ankor, kon sa pou yo ka konen moun yo an ti jan pi bien. Parents, make sure the children watch the video again so they have an understanding how to read the words. So like that, they could become comfortable and fluent in reading the words. Parents, pou ti moun yo ka vin fluent. Fluent vle di, yo li an ti jan pi rapide, yo pa li le jan yo te kon li dans le commencement kote yo ta momote. Mais c'est ça, mes Jerome te gen pou nou. Have a wonderful day. Passez une bonne journée. Bye.